Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix a blurry thumbnail within YouTube. So if you go ahead and create your YouTube thumbnail, this is just an example thumbnail that I have for this video, and then you upload it to your channel, and then you notice that it's blurry, it's all pixelated and everything like that. There's one thing that you can do to go ahead and fix this problem, and that is to upscale the image. So what you can do is you can open up your web browser, and then you can go to Google and you can type in IMG upscaler, just like that, and then hit enter, and then you'll see the first result right here, img.upscaler. You want to click onto that first result, and now it will take you to this. Now you can also do this if you don't have a laptop or PC. You can also get it on the iPhone store as well as the Google Play Store. Okay, but what you need to do is just choose your image right here. So I'll show all files, and then I'll go to my gallery and simply upload the image. You will get ads on this website, but it's totally fine. You just close the ads, and there you can see the thumbnail has been uploaded, and you want to keep the ratio on 200%, and then you want to click on upload and start. Okay, so what that is going to do is it's going to successfully upload the video, and then it's going to check the status of the video, or the thumbnail, sorry, and then what it's going to do is it's going to upscale it and increase the quality of that particular image. So it's processing right now. I'll be right back when it's finished processing. And as you can see right here, it has finished processing. So all you need to do now is click on to download, and you can see the download there. Then what you can do is you can minimize your Google Chrome. Then you can go into your downloads. So I'll go to my downloads, and here you'll be able to see the image. And if you had a low quality image, it should be much higher quality now, and then you can go through the upload process on YouTube, upload that thumbnail, and it should be higher quality and not blurry. If this video helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.